Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new to my channel, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. As you guys must have read the title of the video, we are going to make an easy DIY face pack which is really beneficial for our skin, and all the ingredients that we require are 100% natural and are easily available in our homes. Face masks are a great way to nourish our skin as day-to-day pollution and dust causes acne. So these face masks are a great way to exfoliate our skin. We have taken 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and we will add 2 teaspoons of yogurt in it. Then we will add the third ingredient, that is honey, and we will mix it properly. Coffee is really beneficial for our skin. It helps to reduce acne and also keeps our skin young, and it is really good to reduce dark circles. On the other hand, yogurt or dahi as it is called is really good for our skin as it moisturizes it and also reduces blemishes, pigmentation, and it has anti-aging properties. I cannot even count how many benefits honey has for our skin. It deeply cleanses our pores and adds a natural glow to our skin, and it also hydrates our skin. We have our face pack ready here and we will apply it all over our face. I have applied this face pack all over my face and we will let it dry for about 15 minutes, and this face pack smells really nice. So guys, I will see you after 15 minutes. I have washed my face and you can clearly see the difference. My skin feels so refreshed. No kidding guys, try this face mask and you will feel the difference too. This face mask is really good and you can use this once a week and you will get really nice and glowing skin. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Do try out this mask and let me know how it worked for you. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy and stay positive. Bye!